was drifting through the quiet night alone, counting stars that never felt like home. Then you walked in like the morning light, turning all my wrongs as something right. Now every road I knew has changed somehow. The world feels softer when you're around. You are the reason the dark turns gold. Every beat inside me calls your name. Nothing in my life will be the same. When you smile, the skies all rearrange. You're where my heart learns your name. Little moments like your laughing eyes make forever feel so close tonight. Even silence sounds like melodies when you're right here, breathing next to me. I never knew love could feel this true, till every dream started leading to you. You are the reason the dark turns gold. Every beat inside me calls your name. Nothing in my life will be the same. When you smile, the skies all rearrange. You're where my heart learns your name. If time runs fast, I'll hold on tight. Through every storm, through every light, through every storm, through every light. No matter where this life may go, you'll be the one I always know. You are the reason the dark turns gold. The hand I reach for when nights get cold. Every beat inside me calls your name. Oh, nothing in my life will be the same. When you smile, the skies all rearrange. You're where my heart learns your name. Where my heart learns your name. Again and again. I was just another shadow in the crowd, moving through the noise, living quiet loud. Then you called to me and everything changed. Like the stars leaned in when you said my name. Now every color feels brand new. Since the world started with you. When you say my name, my heart catches flame. Every broken piece inside me rearrange. When you hold me near, nothing feels the same. Love sounds beautiful when you say my name. Coffee in the morning, laughter in the hall. Little moments with you mean the most of all. Even rainy days shine silver blue. Every empty space gets filled by you. I never knew a touch so kind could quiet all the storms inside. When you say my name, my heart catches flame. Every broken piece inside me rearrange. When you hold me near, nothing feels the same. was walking through a world of maybe, half awake and moving through the haze. Then you touched my hand so gently and turned my nights into brighter days. Now every heartbeat knows your name. Nothing around me feels the same. In your eyes I stay, I never drift away. You hold me like the dawn holds memories when the world runs wild and time won't wait. Your love is where I'm safe. In your eyes I stay. You make simple moments shine like gold. Laughing in the kitchen, dancing slow. Every little memory with you feels like something I was meant to know. I never thought love could be this true, till every road kept leading to you. In your eyes I stay, I never drift away. You hold me like the dawn holds memories when the world runs wild and time won't wait. Your love is where I'm safe. In your eyes I stay. If thunder comes and skies turn gray, I'll still be warm inside your gaze. If seasons change and stars grow far, be my guiding heart. In your eyes I stay, I never drift away. You hold me like the dawn holds memories when the world runs wild and time won't wait. Your love is where I'm safe. In your eyes I stay. In your eyes I stay. I was chasing sunsets, running wild and free, looking for a place that felt like peace to me. Then you smiled softly, everything grew still, like the world had waited just to match your will. Now every road leads back to your light. Every lonely star burns warm tonight. You feel like home in a restless world, safe like a promise, sweet like a pearl. When I'm in your arms, all the storms let go. You are the calm my heart has always known. No matter where I roam, you feel like home. Morning coffee tangles sheets, sleepy eyes, little kind of magic money cannot buy. Even quiet moments sing when you are near. Love sounds simple when it's crystal clear. I never knew forever could be real, till your touch became the way I heal. You feel like home in a restless world, safe like a promise, sweet like a pearl. When I'm in your arms, all the storms let go. You are the calm my heart has always known. No matter where I roam, you feel like home. If the lights go out and the City lights were burning bright tonight, faces passing by like shooting lights. Then I saw you standing in the rain, and suddenly the world called out your name. Time slowed down when you looked my way, like every lost word found what to say. Only you in the crowd, only you in the noise. You turn silence into songs with your voice. When you hold me close, all my fears fall through. Out of everyone, somehow I found you. Only you, only you. Every little thing you do so sweet makes the ground feel softer under me. Even shadows fade when you are near. You make ordinary moments disappear. I never knew a touch could heal till your hands showed me what love can feel. Only you in the crowd, only you in the noise. You turn silence into songs with your voice. When you hold me close, all my fears fall through. Out of everyone, somehow I found you. Only you, only you. If the stars forget to shine tonight, I'll still have heaven in your eyes. If the world keeps changing every day, my heart will never lose its way. Only you in the crowd, only you in the noise. You turn silence into songs with your voice. When you hold me close, all my fears fall through. Out of everyone, somehow I found you. Only you in the crowd, my forever truth. Only you, only you, only you. In all this world,